Advanced Decontamination Solutions. Keep your college campus safe and free from viral contamination. Products that provide all-round protection. Alkadis Hospital Grade Sanitizer. Progel Floor Cleaner, with World Health Organization recommended formula. Decol, hard surface cleaner, for mopping and spraying. Nanoson, the nanotechnology-based indoor air and air-conditioned duct fumigant. Spray Dis, the disinfectant spray that makes any contact surface, like doorknobs, chairs and tables, instantly free from contamination. Next, the water purifier ensures the water your student drinks is free from microbes. Medichem Labs, the ISO 9001 certified Bangalore-based manufacturer, is an expert in infection control and prevention since 1999.